Yeah, because
And putting that like near under my eyes is like I feel like that bags.
yeah, to take out the Gucci bags. But you don't have any Gucci bags. You have no.
I feel like I do.
Oh,
Gucci bags, I like that.
So this is going to like puffy your skin.
Yeah.
sorry, I had coffee breath. Sorry.
I was thinking the same thing too earlier.
Yeah, I need it sometimes to wake me up. It's like, coffee. I'm not even a coffee drinker, but it does its job.
Did you check before you went on?
Oh, your phone, yep.
Or you want to
Yeah, and as long as the client says it's
It's fine?
comfortable.
It's cold?
It feels good.
It feels good?
See, for me, I don't like the cold hair because it's too cold. Even after a chemical peel, I'm like, this is too cold.
It's crazy. It doesn't feel that cold. Like I feel like I have a jade roller and that feels a lot colder on my skin than this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I think they perfected the cold hammers over the years because the first ones they were like too cold. It's like as soon as you put it to the skin, it's like, oh no, take that off. But I think they've really come a long way with these machines. And Bertha has the new two. It's the second model or generation Hydrafacial machine, so it doesn't take too long or over cool your skin, which is great. That's awesome.
It feels really great.
Yeah, you can do circles.
I like this because
There you go.
I use eyes for summer for the skin.
Yeah.
Nowadays it's like my eyes.
Yeah, and don't be afraid. Like you can tell them to close their eyes and then start from the top and then go right over that eyelid, and it feels good. It's good stuff. Because some people chemical peel eyelids, which I don't. I kind of stay away from it because I don't want to mess up anybody's eyelids. And sometimes they want to do it over the eyebrows, and if you have nice eyebrows, those chemical peels can go in there and fry out those hairs, and they'll fall out after a while. If you use a super harsh peel. And so the doctor's office that I worked at, the clinic that you guys came to with the field trip, yeah, they use a TCA peel, and that's the toughest peel that we use. But it sometimes burns out the hair follicle so much that the hair doesn't grow back. So I tell them like, no, be careful going over eyelids, eyebrows. Because she has, both of you guys have wonderful eyelashes. People pay good money for eyelashes, like $300-400 to get lash extensions. And you guys have your own, which is perfect.
You see, it's not red anymore.
It cools, yeah, it restricts those capillaries. So make sure it's contained.
Is that it?
I know I hit the button again. Oh no, I didn't this time. I didn't. I keep hitting the top button.
Alright.
And no worries, I got pictures as well. I got video and pictures on your phone.
That's right.
So see how little small pellets it comes out? It's perfect. So you can go far, high, low. If it's too close to face, too far, you can bring it in or take it out, however you want. So this might be a little bit too close. Oh, you just want to get it on it. Yeah, because this spray is pretty.
What else you like?
There's perfect. Yep. Just like an airbrush machine. So if an artist, like a spray paint, if you ever look at them graffiti anything, it's never up close unless they're making a dot or a certain, like a slash mark, something precise. But yeah, see, décolleté, the chest area, all that good stuff, calm the skin down, it's great. See? And you can use it for the hair treatment as well. Like if you had, there's different hair ampules for those bottles. You can just spray the hair and then do a nice scalp.
So
Oh my
it
god.
doesn't have a like not to go too fast. This
Mhm. Oh, like to slow it down,
Yeah.
to speed it up.
And
It doesn't.
like
It's
that.
just one
Yeah.
speed. Yeah, I wish it slowed down. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, it doesn't have this like I guess I have to like spray like just for a second.
Aesthetic school in 2008, and then I became an instructor, and I was just a guest speaker in Bertha's class.
Oh,
I
okay.
was just telling them how it really is in the world, and then we went on a field trip to the spa I worked in
Yeah.
years ago. Just to show people it's a different side of Baltimore. You don't always have to be here, Anne Arundel County, Baltimore. You can always drive, commute, go to another state. It is totally different in places. It's not always what the school teaches you. It's not. It's totally not. So people think it's the school, that's just what it is. I'm like, no, please, Lord. No.
It's the same with nursing. Like, you don't even learn everything you need to know until you're in the field.
Correct. And see, Bertha's ahead of her because she has her own. I didn't have my own place until 12 years later, like a long time. I wish I would have had something out of school, but I didn't have any money. I didn't.
She worked hard for this.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's
She
very
really
nice.
did. And it was like a vision that she had, and she
Mhm.
just did whatever she could to make it
There you
a
go.
reality.
That's
Yeah.
I
right.
literally watched it from, we started upstairs in the living room
Yeah.
Mhm.
with my first facial with her.
All right. Well, that's how you gotta. Yeah, we all have to start small somehow. Amazon started small. McDonald's started. There's no business in the world I don't think that just became billionaires overnight, or not even Tesla, not Elon Musk, none of them. It all takes time. Even the stock market, it's all progression and the persistence. If you stick with it, it's gonna grow
Yeah.
like water in a plant. See how Martha does all the fancy stuff. See, I don't even do that under the neck. I don't even. I don't even know how to. Men aren't that coordinated, so it would go all in your nose if I did it.
Yeah, it's not red your face. I thought it was going to be red because she's a little sensitive skin, but it looks good.
Yeah, she's a perfect candidate. And you want somebody who has like a little bit of sensitivities, because now you know how to work on anybody's skin. If you can work
Yeah.
on sensitive, you can work on. We say normal in the books. No one has normal skin. To be honest with you, there's no normal skin. Everybody's skin can turn.
Like right now,
allergic.
my skin does feel like a little tingly,
Mhm, mhm.
a little bit. But
Like a scale of 1 to 10,
like a 2, if that.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's no. Okay, thank God. If you were to say like 6 and up.
No.
I'm like,
It's
oh
like
my
a very
God.
mild, like it's not like a consistent, but just like
Okay.
Okay, yeah, we would have to calm your skin down again and.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Redo
have to
something.
remove everything.
no.
All right, now you're doing your.
And it'd only be like 10 minutes at the big